What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start from the very top in the middle, go all the way around toward the left, then in towards the bottom, then bring that back up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to place the eyes on top of the nose. Let's start on the top left, curve the eye going up, and we'll bend that down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now from here, we place the mustache in underneath the nose. Let's start from the left side, curve this up and then down. Now I'm going to bend the mustache going back up towards the tip. Let's curve the bottom of the mustache coming down and then up towards the center of the nose along the bottom. Come down and just pull that up. Now in between the mustache, we're going to draw a half oval coming down and then up for the mouth. And we'll fill the inside black. Now from the bottom of the mouth, let's step down and add a curve coming down and up for the lip. Now from here, we're going to place the beard in underneath the mustache. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a half oval, going all the way around. Just pull that in towards the middle. Go across, and then up on the right side. Now I'm going to draw two ovals on top of each eye for the eyebrows. Start from the top, come around, go up, and then back towards the top. Let's line this up on the right. Going all the way around, just on top of the eye, and then back up. Now the bottom edge of the hat's going to go in between the eyebrows and the mustache. Let's start on the left, bend this up, and then in towards the side. And the same thing on the right. Let's go to the inside, in between the eyebrows, and add a curve. Now we draw the outside of the hat brim by connecting the bottom. Let's start over on the left, bend this out, pull this up in the middle, round this out, come down the side, and then bend that back in. Now let's draw on the top of the hat. We'll start all the way over on the left, bend this up, go all the way around. I'm just going to pull this down towards the side of the head. Let's add a circle along the bottom, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a fold across the bottom. From the top of the circle, step in, bend this up and in on top of the head. And we'll tuck the right side in underneath, going up and then in. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, curve the body going out and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Now let's connect the hips with a curve that comes down the middle, and then we'll bend that back up. Now I'm going to place that thick trim along the bottom. Starting from the bottom left corner, I'm just going to add a bracket, going around and in. And we'll connect the bottom with that same curve, going down and then up. Let's add the buckle along the bottom. Leaving a gap in the center, draw two lines going up along the side. And then we'll close off the top with a straight line, and then we'll trace the inside of the buckle. From the top left corner, step down, follow that same curve going out and then up towards the side of the body, and we'll fill the inside of the belt in black. From the side of the buckle, let's step out and draw two straight lines coming from the beard down towards the belt. Now we want to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a small gap in the center. Start on the left, draw Draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the top of the foot going up and then bending that down, leaving a gap on the inside. From the top of the foot, we're going to step out, curve the leg going out, and then up underneath the body. Let's add a trim for the boot, going down and then up. Now I'm going to go all the way up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start from the side of the beard, draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the wrist, and line that up on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to point the thumb going up. We're going to go up and then bend that down like a half oval. Let's go to the outside of the thumb, bend the hand going out, round this out, and then pull that in towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, we're going to bend the arm coming down and then in towards the side of the body. And we'll connect the bottom of the thumb to the wrist with a curve going out and then down. Let's step in and add that trim, that same curve. Now let's go back and add some color. We're going to start with the skin tone inside the face. Start on the left side and work our way across. And we'll fill in the nose. And then we're going to grab our red and fill the top of the hat, going around that trim. And the side of the body. And these are dark gray and fill in the boots. Now adding some color to the buckle, and then finish off by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.